How to change and remove default clothes in Roblox. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open any browser and search roblox.com. Log into your account, then click on three lines at the top left corner of your screen. Then click on Avatar in here. After you're in Avatar section, you'll find the default clothes. Simply click on it to uncheck the box. After you've done that, everything will be removed. Now click on Head and Body at the top. In Head and Body, you'll find Skin Tone. Click on Skin Tone in here. Now scroll down and click on Advanced in here. After clicking on Advanced, you'll find Head, Torso, Left Arm, Left Leg, and Right Leg. You can select the skin tone you want. After you're done, press on Done at the bottom. Then you're good to go. This is how to change and remove default clothes in Roblox. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.